we know that if I take a gigantic star or galaxy and compress it, its gravity is so great that nothing known to science can escape the clutches of gravity. So light itself is trapped by the black hole, and according to textbooks, it collapses to a point of infinite density. When a star collapses into a tiny dot, infinite density is a shorthand of saying, I don't know. We really don't know what happens at the very center of a black hole. If you do the mathematics very carefully, you realize that the black hole is spinning, and spinning stars collapse to a ring. They don't collapse to a dot at all. And if you fall through the ring, the mathematics says that you fall not just to the ring, but you fall to the other side, to a parallel universe. That is, on the other side of a black hole, there's a white hole. Everything that falls in gets blown out the other end.